workers' compensation is a wage replacement system. It's designed to compensate an injured worker for the lost wages they suffered. In addition to lost wages, people also are compensated for their medical bills. And so often when people get injured, they don't know how their medical bills are going to get paid. Well, workers' comp takes care of that. So when people come to our doorstep, we advise them of their rights, and we explain to them how the workers' compensation system is going to unfold. So the legal definition of what is workers' compensation is as follows. It's an employee who sustains an industrial accident arising out of and in the course of their employment, and as a result of that accident, they are disabled from earning the average weekly wage. What does that mean? First, you have an employee, a person works for somebody else, who sustains an industrial accident. They get injured. Arising out of and in the course of their employment, that means it happened on the job. And as a result of that injury, they are disabled from earning the average weekly wage. And it's that person's average weekly wage. In other words, we take the date of their injury, we go back 52 weeks, we total all the money they made from that job and any other concurrent employment job. We divide by the number of weeks that they worked, and we get their average weekly wage, which then leads to their workers' compensation rate, which is 60% of the average weekly wage. And that's important because workers' compensation benefits are tax-free. And a lot of people just don't know that. So although you're only getting 60% of your wages, you're getting 60% tax-free. It's not going to be quite the take-home pay that people experience, but it's going to be close to it. That's, in essence, how the workers' compensation system in Massachusetts works. It's a wage replacement system.
It's critical that you report your injury to your employer when it happens. It's important because you want to establish that the injury took place at work. If you don't establish that, the employer is going to say it didn't happen at work, and it's going to make your case a lot harder to prove.
Each case is unique, as every person is unique, but there are certainly similarities to these cases. We've handled thousands of workers' compensation cases over the past 38 years. And we are incredibly aggressive with the insurance companies because we know exactly the games that these folks will play.
We're not going to mislead you. We're going to be honest, we're going to be upfront, and we're going to fight for you.